Hello everyone, and welcome to this week's MISys tips and tricks video. This week we want to show you a trick in helping you follow up on your suppliers once you issue purchase orders. A good practice is always to ask for confirmation upon sending purchase orders to your suppliers so that we make sure they've received it, B, they can confirm the due date and the quantity to be delivered. However, if we're dealing with way too many suppliers and way too many purchase orders going out in any given week, it might be difficult to keep track of who did we receive confirmation from and who actually hasn't sent it. And this can cause a problem, especially if the supplier failed to receive the PO. So for this, we want the system working for us rather than us having to go and check on every PO, on every supplier, on past emails, or any other method that you can think of. What we do is under purchasing menu for our purchase orders, we create a custom field called supplier confirmation received. This is a true or false field. The default is false. That means the tick box is unchecked when you create a purchase order. So when you create a purchase order and you save it in the system, once the certain amount of period that is determined, in my case, it will be 3 days. If that period of time passes, and if that tick box is not saved, then I am going to receive an alert because of this unconfirmed PO dashboard alert I have created. This PO 20 that I've unchecked the confirmation box was with an order date of, I can drill into this PO directly from this alert screen, and I can see that I have ordered this PO, well, last year, a little dated PO here. Uh, and because my alert was looking for POs that were sent 3 days ago or more, and I still haven't ticked the box for supplier confirmation received, I got this. The moment I check this, when I get an email from my supplier and save my PO, my unconfirmed PO list gets emptied out. And if I create a push alert for this alert that I have created, then anytime a new PO comes into this list, which means I've placed an order 3 days before, and I still haven't received the confirmation, I'll receive an email. So the system works for me, and I don't need to keep track other than just going into the specific PO and checking that tick box. Hope this helps you use MISys more effectively. And if you feel that if you need help setting up those custom fields and alerts, feel free to reach to Central Nervous Systems, and one of our consultants will be happy to help you.